Hi everyone, my name is Alberto and welcome to my channel. So what is this video about? This video is a continuation of a metal handrail build and installation series of videos that I am putting together. This one's going to continue on with the welding now. And the cool thing about this video is I'm going to be using two of my old Millermatic welders. One is a 1998 Millermatic Vintage, and the other one is a 1972 Millermatic 35. And if you can, stay to the end, and that'd be greatly appreciated. And that really does help my channel grow. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm actually going to start right here at the bottom portion right here. I'll move my way up and I'll work this way and then we'll come down to the middle. That way I don't put too much heat here. It's not very thick. It's only 14 gauge, so I gotta be pretty quick with the torch and just move steady. All right, so there's not very much room. Typically what I do is I'll just kind of do a pretend weld, make sure that I'm not hitting any obstacles, and see if I can get both pieces evenly. All right, so here we go. I'll do a practice run just like I was doing on the other ones, and then I'll just follow through with the weld. Okay, here we go. Gonna move down to this section right here. And now I'm gonna move down to this section right here. You know, I gotta keep moving because 14 gauge isn't very thick. It's sufficient, but it's just not very thick, and it's easy to burn through it. Not very much room here. Okay, I believe these are the last two welds for the bottom. Then we can flip it over. Hopefully that clamp won't be in my way. Let's see, I'm gonna have to get creative here with my holding of the torch. This is where the tight squeeze is at. I'm also trying to position myself in a way to where I'm not in the way of the camera, but yeah, let's see. I think this is good right here. Whoa. If you notice, I'm always cutting that tip, just it balls up, and I just feel it gives me a better start when I cut that little ball off. I'm actually going to start on these two right here. Then I'm going to work my way to these two here. Hopefully I can control the heat a little bit so I don't have to be moving around so much. So I'm going to do these two, go to the other side. I think I'll go over here. This one's a little bit bigger gap, so I'm going to try not to blow no holes here. And try to be careful I don't put my hand here, that's hot. So It's a pretty big gap here, so hopefully I won't blow this one out. I think the clamp's out of my way, but I need it there. I have the Millermatic set at 17 volts, 217 inches per minute. That should be enough. It's a hot machine, so it welds really nice. So let's see. I'm going to start here at the bottom and work my way up. Again, same technique. I'm going to start on the upper piece and work my way down to the edge here of this piece here. All right, so get my torch over here on this side. I'm going to do my best not to get in the way of the camera. Give it another shot here.